Imagine one day, when you wake up in the morning, you see everything around you turns dark. At that moment, you realize that you have losing your eyesight and you start missing doing your favorite activities. For example, watching movies and playing with your kids. By that time, it is way too late for you to know that you are suffering diabetic retinopathy. So, how many of you are aware of diabetic retinopathy with its danger and its relation with diabetes? Diabetes is the beginning of many major complications such as kidney, nerve, heart, and eyes. When it affects the eyes, it is known as diabetic retinopathy or simply DR. DR is irreversible disease. Blurring of the vision is always assumed as a normal phenomenon to most of diabetic patients, but it is actually an early indicator of DR progression and it may cause us total blindness. Therefore, it is very important to detect this disease as early as possible. My PhD studies will look into this DR problem and as a main possible solution to predict the DR progression in diabetic patients accurately and timely as opposed to current grading system. Currently, DR grading system is done manually by the ophthalmologist. They impose too heavy workloads because they have to evaluate a large amount of retinal images every day. Due to that, it causes inter- and intra-observer variability where the same images have to re-evaluate by different graders to ensure an accurate diagnosis. Hence, I am developing an automatic DR assessment system that mimics the perspective of the ophthalmologist. The system will quantify the DR abnormalities and be an early DR detection system. Imagine, using this system, we can stop or at least slow down the rate of DR progression from becoming worse. Based on the severity scale, the patient will then be treated in two ways. If the patient were diagnosed with severe DR, then the patient will receive immediate treatment by the ophthalmologist. Otherwise, the patient will receive further follow-up by doctors to slow down the rate of DR progression. Thus, my work is very beneficial for doctors and patients. The doctors can diagnose the patient accurately and the patient will receive immediate results and treatment right after the test. Thank you.